Amazing facts about animals. Hello and welcome to our animal fact extravaganza. Today, we will be exploring the wild and fascinating world of animals. Did you know that there are over 8 million different species of animals on this planet? That's right, 8 million. Lion. Let's start with one of the most recognizable animals in the world, the lion. Did you know that lions can run up to 50 miles per hour? That's faster than Usain Bolt's top speed. Penguins. Now, let's take a look at these adorable creatures, penguins. Did you know that penguins can drink salt water? Their special gland filters out the salt, leaving only fresh water for them to drink. Elephants. Moving on to the largest land animal on Earth, the elephant. Did you know that elephants can communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds that are inaudible to humans? Dolphins. Now, let's dive into the ocean and talk about dolphins. Did you know that dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors? This is a sign of high intelligence and self-awareness. Flamingos. Next up, we have these stunning pink birds, flamingos. Did you know that their pink color comes from the pigments in the shrimp and algae they eat? Sloth. Moving on to these slow-moving creatures, sloths. Did you know that sloths only defecate once a week? That's right, they hold it in until they can find a suitable spot to go. Meerkats. Now, let's take a look at these curious and social animals, meerkats. Did you know that meerkats have different alarm calls for different predators? They can even distinguish between aerial and ground threats. Cheetah. Let's talk about the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah. Did you know that cheetahs can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds? Kangaroos. Now, let's hop on over to Australia and talk about kangaroos. Did you know that kangaroos can't walk backwards? Their strong legs are designed for jumping forward, not backward. Sea turtles. Let's talk about these ancient and majestic creatures, sea turtles. Did you know that sea turtles have been around for over 150 million years? That means they lived during the time of the dinosaurs. Majestic eagle. Let's talk about one of the most iconic birds of prey, the eagle. Did you know that an eagle's eyesight is 5 to 6 times sharper than that of a human? Howler monkeys. Moving on to these energetic primates, howler monkeys. Did you know that howler monkeys have the loudest call of any land animal? Their howl can be heard up to 3 miles away. Otters. Now, let's take a look at these playful and adorable creatures, otters. Did you know that otters hold hands while they sleep to keep from drifting apart? Zebras. Let's now focus on these majestic and striped animals, zebras. Did you know that no two zebras have the same stripe pattern? It's like a fingerprint for each individual. Crocodiles. Moving on to these prehistoric creatures, crocodiles. Did you know that crocodiles can go without food for up to a year? They can slow down their metabolism to conserve energy. Giraffes. Now, let's talk about the tallest land animal on Earth, the giraffe. Did you know that giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans? 7. Chameleons. Let's talk about these masters of camouflage, chameleons. Did you know that chameleons can change their skin color to communicate with each other, regulate body temperature, and blend into their surroundings? Dolphins. Let's talk about these intelligent and social mammals, dolphins. Did you know that dolphins can swim up to 20 miles per hour and can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes? Jellyfish. Moving on to these gelatinous creatures, jellyfish. Did you know that some species of jellyfish are immortal? They can revert back to their juvenile state after reaching adulthood. Sea turtles. Let's now focus on these gentle giants, sea turtles. Did you know that sea turtles have been around for over 100 million years? They are one of the oldest living creatures on Earth. Octopuses. Now, let's talk about these masters of disguise, octopuses. Did you know that octopuses can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings? They can also contort their bodies to fit through tiny spaces. Hammerhead sharks. Let's talk about these unique-looking predators, hammerhead sharks. Did you know that hammerhead sharks have a 360-degree field of vision? Their unique head shape allows them to see in all directions, making them excellent hunters. Hippos. Moving on to these massive and formidable animals, hippos. Did you know that hippos secrete a reddish fluid from their skin that acts as a natural sunscreen and antibiotic? Orangutans. Now, let's talk about these intelligent and gentle primates, orangutans. Did you know that orangutans are the only great apes found outside of Africa? They are native to the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Moving on to these fascinating and misunderstood creatures, bats. Did you know that some species of bats can eat up to 1,000 insects in 1 hour? They play an important role in controlling insect populations. Well, that's it for today's Animal Fact Extravaganza. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and their amazing abilities. Remember to keep exploring the vast and diverse world of animals around us. See you next time. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe our channel, hit like and press bell icon so you can get latest video notifications.